Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Delog, and it is a toilet safety rail, and it is super easy to install. I already got it put together kind of here, but I'm going to show you guys how it goes together. It's just simple, simple, simple. So the way it works is you have all these different buttons. So you see like this button here, you just put it in there. It took me maybe 3 minutes to install. There, then you can adjust the height. You see here, you have these little buttons here. I set them all on 6. And then you can adjust the width over here with these buttons. Everything just slides with buttons. It's like the easiest thing ever to put together. And then you've got the little suction cups on the bottom so it'll hold together, and you just put this around the toilet and that'll help you lift yourself up from the toilet and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in the bathroom here in a second so you can see how it is. So you can see this is the concept here. You've got the little handles here, so as you're sitting down and when you get up, you can hold on to it. It's got the suction cups to hold it down to the floor, and that's pretty much everything. And this holds up the lid, I guess, right now because it's in the way. I could put it probably behind it or something, but this is good for anybody who needs a little bit of extra assistance getting up from the bathroom.